Outdoor security cameras have become one of the most effective ways to protect homes, businesses, and property. Modern cameras now offer powerful features such as solar charging, wireless installation, AI motion detection, and crystal-clear video quality. Many models also include night vision, two-way audio, and smartphone alerts, so you can monitor everything in real time from anywhere. With solar power and long battery life, these cameras can operate for months without constant maintenance. In this video, top 6 wireless security camera that provide reliable protection, smart monitoring features, and excellent video quality to help keep your property safe day and night. Number 1. WYZE Wireless Security Camera. This solar-powered outdoor security camera is designed for effortless and reliable home monitoring. Its high-efficiency solar panel allows the camera to stay powered with just about 1 hour of sunlight each day, eliminating frequent charging. The camera records sharp 2K resolution video and features full-color night vision to capture clear details even in low-light conditions. With 360-degree pan and 70-degree tilt capability, it offers wide area coverage around your property. AI-powered motion tracking automatically detects and follows people while reducing false alerts. A built-in spotlight activates when motion is detected, and the 105 decibel siren can be triggered remotely through the app to help deter potential intruders. Number 2. REOLINK Wireless Security Camera. This 5-megapixel solar-powered security camera delivers detailed 2K+ resolution video for clear monitoring during both day and night. A built-in spotlight supports color night vision, ensuring that important details remain visible even in darker environments. The camera features intelligent motion detection that can identify people, vehicles, and animals while automatically panning and tilting to track moving targets. Real-time alerts are sent directly to your smartphone so you can stay informed instantly. Powered by an efficient solar panel, the camera operates continuously without the need for frequent battery charging. Video footage can be securely stored locally using expandable micro SD storage, while advanced encryption helps keep your recordings private and protected. Number 3. Funstorm Wireless Security Camera. This upgraded indoor security camera provides stunning 4K ultra-high-definition video, allowing you to monitor your home or office with exceptional clarity. Its wide 110-degree viewing angle helps cover a large area so you can keep an eye on important spaces easily. The camera also performs well in low-light conditions thanks to its night vision capability, ensuring clear monitoring around the clock. Powered by a high-capacity 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery, it can deliver up to 100 days of standby time on a single charge. Through the dedicated mobile app, users can access real-time monitoring from anywhere. Motion detection instantly sends alerts to your smartphone whenever unusual activity is detected. Number 4. aosu Wireless Security Camera. The aosu Solar Outdoor Security Camera offers reliable protection without requiring monthly subscription fees. All recordings are securely stored in the aosu base station with encrypted local storage, which can hold up to 4 months of video using its built-in memory. The camera features 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, ensuring there are no blind spots around your property. Solar power keeps the battery charged with only a few hours of daily sunlight, allowing the system to operate continuously with minimal maintenance. With 3-megapixel resolution and enhanced LED lighting, the camera delivers clear video during both daytime and nighttime. Automatic motion tracking captures and records activity whenever movement is detected in the monitored area. Number 5. GMK Wireless Security Camera. This wireless 2K outdoor security camera system includes 4 cameras designed to provide full coverage for your home or property. Each camera records sharp 3-megapixel Ultra HD video and supports advanced color night vision as well as infrared night monitoring. With wide-angle lenses, the cameras can effectively monitor driveways, entrances, gardens, or backyards. The battery-powered design removes the need for complicated wiring and can operate for 1 to 6 months on a single charge. Smart AI PIR motion detection sends instant alerts directly to your smartphone whenever movement is detected. Built-in two-way audio allows communication with visitors or delivery drivers, while the integrated siren and flashing lights help deter potential intruders. Number 6. Eufy Wireless Security Camera. The Eufy 4GLTE Cam S330 is a powerful outdoor security camera designed for locations where Wi-Fi may not always be available. It features a large 9,400 mAh battery and upgraded solar panel, providing long-lasting off-grid power for continuous monitoring. With dual-mode connectivity, the camera can operate using both Wi-Fi and 4GLTE, automatically switching to mobile data if the Wi-Fi signal drops. The camera records stunning 4K resolution video with color night vision, allowing you to capture clear details such as license plates from a distance. A built-in spotlight improves nighttime visibility, while the 360-degree pan and tilt movement, combined with AI tracking, ensures complete surveillance coverage. When choosing a security camera, focus on video resolution, reliable power options, and smart motion detection. Solar-powered cameras with wireless installation are especially convenient for outdoor use. Features like AI tracking, night vision, and smartphone alerts can significantly improve home security, helping you monitor important areas and respond quickly to unusual activity. These were 6 powerful security cameras designed to protect your home with smart features and clear video. Check the description for details and subscribe for more helpful tech reviews and guides.